guys, today I am a birdie and I am a pretty birdie, and the reason why it's me doing the intro is because I'm the prettiest birdie in the world and I can fly. And yeah, my name is Epic. I'm Jace's birdie. I like being Jace's birdie because Jace is birdie is awesome, aka me. So yeah, you had it. Yeah, he's my pretty birdie named Epic. He's gonna eat that food real quick and then we're gonna teach him some tricks. Alright, that's what I'm doing. Go on, Epic. Start eating. Alright guys, we'll see. And we'll see you when we're done. And Epic just got done eating, so yeah, here he is. Till he made a big mess, he hardly ate anything. Yep. Let me see him.
Stop holding him like that.
And here's my birdie. Here, I'll hold it. Fly through the hoop! Epic, go! We go. Okay, that is not the hoop. Hey, Epic, I promise that's not the hoop.
Right, dude, this went right next to the Atlantic Arkansas monster, so.
I'm kidding. Epic, you ready to get thrown? Have you ever got thrown? Have you got thrown? Pet him.
Try to get him through the
Come on, fly. Fly.
Try.
No. Hey guys, 10 likes for my birdie twerking. No. No. Alright. Come on, fly through the hoop. Come on, boy. Okay, I'm just gonna set you down. I'm not gonna let you fall, I promise. Get off. Get off, I promise. Alright, now fly. Woo, fly. Fly to your destiny. Whee! Come on. Oh, so close, Epic. Yes!
Yes! If you didn't see what just happened,
Oh, so were you even recording it? Yes.
if you didn't know what just happened, Epic flew the hoop.
Come on, do it again, Epic.
Yeah, let's get
Come on, boy. I'm totally like gonna do it because I'm like so savage. Like, LOL.
I'm gonna send it.
Whee! Oh. Oh, dang it.
Flip!
Attempt number 2.
Yeah!
Again. Alright, now we are going to teach him how to fly back to his cage when we know that we're about to put him up. Hey, Epic! Who's here? I got him. Hand me.
Sure, I got this.
No, not inside. It's a struggle to get him out. Who can? Alright, guys. This one is probably going to be the most easiest. Okay. Fly. Oh! Easy.
Easy, let me squeeze
Let's do it like that. See if we'll fly him. Okay. And go. Nope. Fail.
He didn't hit the bullseye like we were hoping.
A score. Now just let me get you back out.
Alright, so we've been doing like, to get the hoop, we've been going in like his favorite spot. So let's.
Yeah, Epic is a big Falcons. What the heck? You didn't start it. Alright. You just took a picture.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna try to get him to fly right here through the hoop.
Oh, that was easy. Oh, shoot. Ooh, interception.
He flew
Oh,
over.
shoot.
You really like the days there, buddy.
There.
Fly to the hoop.
And.
Oh!
Hey! Oh! Why, thank you. Hey! You guys, he landed on me! Look, I'm gonna kiss Birdie. He really loves that bird, so don't even bother it.
Okay. You literally made a U-turn.
Wait. direction. Alright, now from there. Kaden, now back from back there. Oh shoot.
Now from back here.
No. Alright, Fro, stop. That hurts. Stop.
Hi, Justin.
What are you guys doing to the bird?
I'm not doing anything bad. We're doing tricks. Come on, fly. Oh, sorry. Record. Come on. Yay, he did it!
That's why he bites everybody, because you guys say
He doesn't bite me. He likes me.
Alright, you guys.
Hey, what book are you reading?
I know.
Alright, we're about to end it in 3.
I just didn't want to.
We're about to end it in 3, 2, 1. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit the like button,
Hey, why don't you
subscribe, slap the bell, and until next time, peace, YouTubers.